Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Memphis, and if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. You're welcome, and if you're not, you're also welcome. So today I want to rearrange my room because I like to switch things up a lot. Like I get bored of things, so I want to like switch it up. And apart from that, I got some new plants, and where they are right now, because of the position of my bed, when I open my window, sunlight does not get to it. That's actually one of the main reasons I'm embarking on this journey. I don't know, let me just show you guys like a quick rundown of my room, and then we'll get the video started.
Wine on my body, baby, wine that. Wine on my body, baby, wine that. Wine on my body, baby, wine that. She tell me say now only me, they make a move, they make a feel right now.
So these are the plants that inspired this, what do I call it, rearranging. Yeah, because I have just one window, and when I open the window, the light doesn't get to this part of the wall. It's so cute. I love being a plant mom. Anyway, this is my dresser. This chair, it's time for it to go. It's so massive, like it is so massive. And then this situation we have going on here, don't even ask me what this is, because even me myself, I don't know. And I don't know why I collected this shelf. You know when someone just dashes something and it's free, so you just collect it. It's from a school. As you can see, they have like some school stuff written here. I actually started spray painting it, but I was spray painting it in the room, and then the smell was starting to choke me, so I stopped, and ever since then I just gave up. So I'm going to do something about it. I'm not sure yet. And look at my other plants, my aloe vera plants. I keep it here because it's close to the window and it needs a lot of lights. So yeah, that's my room. Regina is going to be helping me. Let me go and call her so we can get this started. Regina is here. Hi. Yep, and we're going to carry this ugly thing out now. I'm feeling really nostalgic about this chair. Look at all the load it has on it. Like when this chair goes, where will I be keeping my load? And this is where I want to keep my plants, I think. I'm not sure.
A few moments later.
Welcome to my new room. Wow. Yeah, you like? Okay. Let me start by showing you guys what I did. So obviously I started by moving my bed from here in the middle of the room to here in this corner where that ugly shelf, which really opened up all this space here. And as you can see, all this space. Don't even ask me what these speakers are doing here. I've always had these speakers here because it's sentimental to me. Someone gifted it to me and the speakers are bad. Actually, they broke, but it's very sentimental to me, so I sleep with it here. And the next thing I did was move my dressing table from here to here. I made sure I cleared everything from the table. The only thing I have here is my water. I drink this all the time. I have this. I'm going to throw it out soon. It's empty, but I just need it for like emergencies. But I'm going to throw it out soon. And my lip balm, which I use all the time as well. I cleared everything out, all my skincare stuff. I moved everything to the shelf because when I finish having my bath, I notice it's always messy. Like I come, I remove things, rub cream, dump it here, put this one, dump it here, and I always forget to move it back to their position. So I'm like, okay, I want this place to be empty. And then I have my jewelry here. Not my jewelry, my necklaces. I don't want to put them in my jewelry box because it's going to tangle. So this is like the perfect place to hang them. I also keep my plants here, my beautiful aloe vera. These plants are what inspired this rearrangement. When I open my window in the morning, like the lights just touches them. Exactly, especially this one. I still have to move this one somewhere around here in the daytime so the light can fully touch it. And this fridge was imposed on me by my parents. They walked into my room, they're like, wow, there's space in your room, let's give you a fridge. I've always wanted a fridge. I have mixed feelings about this fridge because I've always wanted a fridge so I don't have to go to the kitchen to get like cold water and stuff. But I was just starting to enjoy my space and then they came and slapped this fridge on me. This used to be for my wigs and my bags. I just kept my caps and my wigs here. I don't want any bags here because the bags just made it look too crowded. And then I moved all my bags here. So this shelf, it still looks a bit crowded, but I have my sunglasses here and some perfumes that I would not use because they're not my type. I'll probably give them out to someone. And then I have my actual perfumes here and body sprays and my deodorants. I'm not using these ones yet, they're still new. I have like my skincare stuff here. So when I come out of the bathroom in the morning, I'm actually going to like dress up here every day and I'm going to put it back and it's not going to look messy. And then here I just have like hair stuff here. You can see I have my Gatsby gel, my hair mousse, and just like random stuff in these cups, spray bottle. Someone gifted this to me. It says better than honey. How cute. I'm actually a very sweet person. So yeah, I have my hair care stuff here and I have this acrylic powder. A time ago I ventured into like doing DIY nails and I did it only twice and I sucked at it. I'm actually going to go back to that when I take off the stick-on nails. As you can see, I have the acrylic liquid here and stuff. And then here I have my makeup box, like perfect spot for it. My makeup box has always been on this shelf though. And I just have my speakers here. It like brings the whole piece together. Like everywhere is crowded and here is just like empty, if that makes any sense. And then here I just have like some remotes, some cords and stuff like that. This is my convocation picture. I don't know if it's rash to put this here, but there was no space to keep it, so I'm just keeping it there. And here I have my jewelry and this is a box of clothes I ordered. I'm going to return them, that's why the box is still here. If not, it's just my jewelry box that's going to be here. And then here I just have like handbags. Then here is my mini wine cellar. And then more handbags, and this is like my tailoring stuff, my soiree stuff, flosses. Don't ask me why I have 3 cartons of floss. This is the only brand of floss I use, and I went to Ebano, and these were the last 3, and I bought all of them because I don't want stories that touch. Cutting boards, my stick-on nails, and here I have like books and stuff and documents and shit like that. My 2 sneakers are down here, and this is here. And I also moved my laundry baskets from there to here. I think, yeah, it just looks better here. And then here's my ring light. Obviously, when I'm not using it, I'm going to pack it up and stuff. Oh, and I have this perfect space right here. I'm going to buy a massive plant. A massive, what's it called? What's that plant called? Lucky bamboo. Yeah, I saw it at my friend's house and it's really beautiful. So I'm happy that I have this space right here so I can put my lucky bamboo plants. I whipped out this, what's the thing called? Toilet mats. Yeah, I whipped it out, and as you can see, it's dirty already. I brought it out yesterday. This was the reason why I threw it away somewhere under that big chair. Under that big chair, I threw it because it gets dirty so easily. I don't want to be washing my mats every 3 days, but it's here for now, just to make my room look cute. And my room is looking so spacious because I got rid of that big fat chair. Gone. But I'm sad because I don't know where I'm going to be putting my clothes. Like when I come back, and I undress, where would I actually keep those clothes that are not clean and that are not dirty? Maybe I'll put them on top of the fridge. Maybe. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed my room tour. We've come to the end, and I really hate this gold thing. Maybe I should buy more gold spray paint and paint it, or buy dark brown oil paint and paint it. What do you guys think? Please let me know in the comment box. And yeah, we've come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to my channel. Okay.